Alright, hi parents, teacher Haja here. So today we're gonna make a sentence based on this picture. So we're gonna use cc+vc word. So first must prepare the picture. You must print out or use your own creativity, and also teacher stand by a reinforcer here for every trial that children do. So I'm gonna show you how to do it one by one. So let's go. And let's make a sentence based on this picture. So what is this? This is a sheep. So we can use we saw a large sheep. Good job. You can take one. Hiya. Good. Let's do the next one. The boy is spin his body. Good job. Teacher give you to take one more. Here. Wow, there are two kids there. They are swim. So Sarah and Adam swim together. Good job. You got to take one. What is this? A hand. The hand have skin. So mother have a smooth skin. Smooth skin. Good job. Okay, you got to take one. Have slug. The slug have no shell because snake have a shell. Slug no. Okay, good job. You got to take one. Yeah. Wow. The boy used the stop sign. So Ali stopped her friend using hand like this. Good job. You got to take another one. Yes. Have a cheese here. It's a trap for animal. So Daddy put an animal trap. Good job. Now you got to take another one. Yes. Yeah. Good job, kids. So parents, don't forget to practice them more to get master. So bye-bye.